Hi everybody. Well, I think I'm going to try and I just picked this lock up, well, actually last week. It's another Dollar Tree lock. It's not opened yet. I wanted to make a video to see if I could open this and just use the fastest method I could think of to open it. So it says 40 millimeter, made in China. I think it was $3.50. A dollar, Family Dollar, or Dollar General, I don't remember. And it's the same as quite a few of the other ones I had. Like this one, made in China. Interesting, this says made in China, 1.5 inches. This one says made in China, 40 millimeter. And this bigger one, 40 millimeter, 45 millimeter, made in China. So those I were able to open. This one I was able to single pin pick. This one I still haven't been able to, but I was able to rake it. And there's the key. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4. I don't know what that is up there. If that's a 4-pin. Anyway. So let's give it a try. I'm going to open this. With a Mercator. Get it out of here. Have a look at it. Made in China, 40 millimeter. Here's the key. One, 2, 3, 4. I think this is a 5-pin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, first thing I'm going to do is just try and get into it. So we're going to put the tension wrench in there, maybe. That one's a little tight. We'll use this one. That goes in there better. Gotta make sure it's not gonna hit on that pin. I wonder if I can bypass it. Let me get the pick in there. No, I can't bypass it. This pick has just the tiniest little nub there. So I'm going to try and zip it. I'm shaky today. I'm shaky today. Do a little pick on single pin pick there, just for the heck of it. Well, let's try the rake. Felt like something there. It doesn't feel good. Doesn't feel right. Let's see. Eat. I don't want to make the video too long. I just wanted to see if I could. Definitely can't do that bypass. I can feel them. The rake. The rake. No. I'm not feeling it. Not feeling it at all. It's not looking good. I don't want to make the video too long. 10 minutes. Felt like I got some movement there. Sometimes if I get some movement and switch picks, no, not feeling it. Not feeling it. Not feeling it. Should try to open it with a key first. It's going to take some work on this one, I guess, until I figure it out. Nope, I'm not feeling it. Just not feeling it. Sometimes I like this tension wrench. It doesn't, it's pretty tight in there though. Okay, not so good. Try the rake again. Coming up on 10 minutes. Up on 10 minutes, nothing yet. Okay. Well, Let's keep working on it, I guess. Give it one more zip. Oh boy. Felt like I got a little bit of a movement there. Oh man. Definitely got something moved there. Nope. Boy, that shackle jumped in my hand. I swear to God it did. Well, there's a good lesson on not picking a lock there, I guess. I'll keep working at it though. I don't want to make the video too long. I did want to show this one lock. This was one I bought, and I was having trouble trying to pick it too. And then one day I was trying to pick it, and a pin fell right out here on the table. It looks like it cracked right up here. It wasn't like that when I bought it, I don't think. See that crack right there? You can see the pin's all wonky there. But one pin fell out. And this, I bought this in a pack with this one. They were in a 2-pack. So this one's not cracked up there. That one's not cracked. This one's cracked. I don't know if I did that trying to pick it or not, but I don't see how I could have broke it with a... Anyway, that's that. This one needs... I need to practice more on this one. I'll keep going though. See what happens. So, guys, take care. Stay frosty. Deal out.